Javed family. How dare you say that? How dare you? Block, 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 block. Oh my God! मेरे को आंखों से डेट नहीं मिल रही है, मैं blind क्या? I am also a playboy, so do not f with me. But I'm a men. What are you doing? Block you, block him. No. मेरे को घृणा आ गई. Yeah, and you are also the problem because you are the one influencing me to take such झंड decisions. मेरी जिंदगी में मत आना. Dolly, 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 dolly.
Hi everyone, welcome to Pink Villa Lifestyle Plus. I'm your host Tanisha and I am back with another episode of the Pink Villa Cart where we take your favorite celebrities out for shopping and put their personal style to test. And today we're at Bonkers Corner, one of the coolest destinations for contemporary streetwear fashion in India. And joining us today is the youngest of the most iconic Javed sisters. Please welcome the lovely Dolly Javed.
How are you?
I'm good. How
You
are
look
you?
amazing.
So do you. You look like a doll.
We're vibing with blue today. I love that.
Yeah, me too. I love it. Okay, Dolly, do you know what are we doing today?
Yeah, she is going to test my fashion. Wow. Nobody has ever dared to, but she can. Let's go!
Let's
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited as well. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 3 scenarios on
Okay.
basis of which you have to pick out certain looks for yourself.
Okay.
So the first scenario, are you ready for it?
I am so excited.
Okay, your very first scenario is that you have to catch an early morning flight.
Okay.
Up, let's say, Dubai जा रहे हो.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but you know that there are paps at the airport.
Yeah.
And you have to act very nonchalant.
Yeah.
मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है यहाँ paps
get
होने वाले, you know. So you want
Yeah.
to keep your outfit really like, you know, like
Chic.
relaxed,
Yeah.
chic and cool at the same time.
I love
So
that.
pick an outfit. You have 2 minutes.
Oh my God.
Yes, I'll set a timer.
Oh my God. Shit.
Okay, your timer's set.
That.
If you need any help,
Okay.
I am right here.
I think a blue tank top. I think yes. And
Do you like neutral colors?
I love everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love everything.
Yeah. Love that.
Oh my God. Look at this jacket.
That is such a cool jacket. Dude.
Yeah?
I love it. Yeah.
I love the leather vibe and I think it's totally going.
I think it would go
Yeah.
very well on you as well.
Yeah.
Because it would just bring out your
I love
complexion.
that. And I think I'm just going to pick a very basic trouser.
Yeah.
Maybe, definitely, okay, brown. Okay, no, I think I'm going to pick this very neutral color.
That's crazy. I love
Yeah.
it already. This is the fastest. Like, इतनी जल्दी किसी ने कभी
हाँ,
कोई
मेरे लिए
outfit
भी
pick out
मेरे
नहीं
लिए भी बहुत जल्दी था ये.
Crazy. I love it. I love it. This is totally approved. Dolly, I am obsessed with your style.
Thank you.
That was so fast.
I know.
इतनी जल्दी तो मैं भी कभी outfit नहीं pick कर
Same.
पाई हूँ. That was crazy. Okay, moving on to the second scenario.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's say you have a date night.
Do you have a boy? Is there a boy that you
we'll
have?
find a boy.
We have outfits. We don't have a boy, but it's fine. ठीक है.
We'll find a boy. Okay, आपकी blind date है, but you are not interested in this date. So
मेरे
you
को
wanna-
आंखों से डेट नहीं मिल रही है. मैं blind क्या? मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ.
Okay, हाँ, interested
हाँ,
नहीं हो.
वाह.
But just because friend ने बोला है, वो जाना है, you know, मुंह दिखाई करने. But what if
What
the
if-
guy is nice? You
Okay.
know? So still, risk नहीं लेना है. So
Okay.
you have to make sure that, you know, थोड़ी nonchalant outfit हो, but at the same time, थोड़ी, you know, up to the mark भी होनी चाहिए
Okay.
कि लड़का देख के हो जाए कि like,
No, I get it, yeah.
Oh, you know.
Even if he's not up to mark, I gotta look my best.
Yeah.
We gotta look like a diva.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You know the drill. 2 minutes.
Oh my God.
What are we gonna
Oh my
pick?
God. This is cute. This is cute. Not a phase. Okay. Definitely not a phase. Okay, that's a maybe.
I wanted to know,
Yeah.
how would you describe your style in 3 words? ये मैं आपको distract करने के लिए कर रही हूँ. 2
Oh.
minutes अभी भी चल रहा है.
How would I describe my style in 3 words? I would say bougie.
Yeah.
I would say, okay, I love this. I would say bratty, a brads, and I don't know if it makes sense, but a diva.
I love those shorts, by the way. That is such a
I know.
cool choice.
It's such a cool vibe. I just need to find something which really gives off like, I'm not interested.
So, are you
That's
like
fun.
a crop top girly, or are you into more like decent clothing and
Oh my
elegant
god, I think
clothing?
I have different moods. I would say, you know, different vibes.
Yeah.
So right now I'm just like very proper, but sometimes I'm very like, okay, like a proper typical Gen Z. Okay, I think I found something.
That
I
is
just
so
saw
cool.
that इस पे Playboy लिखा है.
Ah.
So I need to let the guy know that I'm aware of his tricks.
Yeah.
You know? So, and also to tell him that I am also a Playboy.
Yeah.
So do not fuck with me.
To intimidate the guy.
Yeah, Brads plus a Playboy.
Love it.
That is a perfect. I am not interested, but if you're cute, then we'll see what happens. But I'm a bitch.
That is
So-
so iconic.
Yeah.
And what would you wear under it? कैसे style करोगे? Footwear.
Footwear, boots,
Boots.
for sure. Black knee-high boots.
Yeah.
Yeah, to intimidate him even more.
That is so cool. I love it. Come on, wear it.
Let's
Show
go.
me.
Let's go.
That was such an intimidating look. मतलब
Thank you.
अगर मैं लड़का होती और मैं आपके साथ डेट पे होती, blind date setup scenario
Yeah.
होता मेरा, मैं definitely intimidate हो जाती.
And Fida.
And मैं flat पे हो जाती.
Exactly.
For real. I'm not even kidding. So tell me, what is your biggest fashion ick on a date?
Skinny jeans.
Of
We need to retire that. Men, what are you doing? We need to let go of that. You know,
Yeah.
I just, even while talking about it, मैं एक आदमी को सोचने लगी skinny jeans पहने हुए मेरे को घिन आ गई.
सही में.
And भाई मेरी जिंदगी में मत आना.
Skinny jeans पहन के तो बिल्कुल मत आना.
Skinny jeans पहन के तो बिल्कुल भी मत आओ तुम भाई दूर रहो. And even ripped jeans as a matter of fact. now.
Yeah, no.
They're done. They're done. Please don't come into my life wearing all of that. तुम आओ ही मत, मैं बोल रही हूँ. वैसे भी कोई है नहीं. और पत्ता काट दे रही हूँ.
पहले से अपने options और छोटे कर दिए.
कोई नहीं यार, कोई नहीं. Oh my god, let me just start selecting something ना.
For what?
Oh.
Third scenario तो दे दो.
हाँ, चलो.
Okay. Your third scenario is, I am your childhood friend.
Amazing.
I have come over to your place for a
Okay.
sleepover.
Ooh.
Yeah. And
Love
your
that.
parents are home.
My parents are home.
Your parents are also home.
Shit.
Shit. अब हमें अपने cool friends के साथ sneak out करके एक drive
wow.
पे जाना है.
I love that.
Yeah. So you have to pick out 2 outfits now. One for you and one
Oh
for
my
me.
god.
कि
I
हम
love
आपके
that.
कबर्ड से क्या पहन के जाएंगे क्योंकि मैं तो नाइट स्टे पे आई हूँ.
Oh,
मेरे
yes.
पास भी कपड़े नहीं है.
Let's go. Let's go.
2 minutes.
Oh shit.
This time I'll give you 4 actually.
Oh my god. Do I want you to look like a Spider-Man?
I
Because
don't
we're
mind.
sneaking out.
I don't mind.
Okay. Or
Childhood
maybe-
friend हो, maybe childhood.
Yeah, and you
but-
are also the problem because you are the one influencing me to take such jhund decisions. Okay, but I would say I would advise you
Yeah.
to dump him.
Yeah.
We're on a night stay. We don't need that man. We don't need that man in your life, so you need to dump him.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But that is so much more your vibe, the Bratz dolls and all. That would look so good on you.
I think you know what, I'm gonna keep this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will.
I want to dump him. Let's
will
go.
it.
Okay, so this
Okay.
one's for me.
Okay,
Now we
this
have
is
to
for you.
pick for you.
Tick 1.
Oh my god.
Tick 2.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I also wanted to know, I am so curious, you sisters are so fashion forward.
Yeah.
सबका बिल्कुल इतना crazy individual style है.
Yes.
So would you rather overdress or underdress?
We always overdress. We have to overdress 24/7.
Yeah.
We cannot not overdress.
I
That
love
is
that.
the Javed family.
Yeah.
But oh my god, look at this.
That is also very
That's
cool.
us.
It's matching
That's
the Bratz
us.
vibe.
Brad's vibe. I love this.
I love
Pretty
it.
and punk. I think you are giving a punk vibe.
Thanks.
I love that.
I would love
Let's
to
do
wear it.
this
Wait,
for
Let
you.
me take it out for you.
It's us, me and you.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah,
Now
dude.
we have to select some bottoms.
Yeah, let's go for bottoms. Tick tick 3.
Oh my god.
Tick, tick, 4.
Okay, this skirt for me, because I think it would look great with dump him.
Yeah.
And then these shorts for you.
I love it.
Like, you know, oversized hoodie and shorts vibe. I love it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love it. That is so.
I
so
think
the skirt
this
is
is it.
so your vibe, and the
Yeah.
shorts are so my vibe. You know.
I love that.
And the fact that you're actually wearing a dress,
Yeah.
and I'm wearing shorts today. I love
Let's
it.
go.
I am so curious to know.
Yes,
Do
tell
you
me.
guys steal clothes from each other or borrow clothes from each other?
This is Urfi's. This is not mine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is so cool. You look like a doll. in
Thank
it.
you so much. Thank you so
Totally.
much.
तो लड़ाई वड़ाई नहीं होती आपस में कपड़ों के पीछे?
अभी कपड़ों के पीछे भी होती है, बाकी सारे रीजंस पे भी होती है. सारे रीजंस ही भरे पड़े हैं हमारे झगड़े के.
Yeah.
कब ऐसा होता है हमारे किस रीजन पे झगड़े नहीं होते, ये लिस्ट शॉर्टर है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does your sister ever call you out on your fashion? ये क्या पहना है? You know.
24/7 and I absolutely hate it
Yeah.
and we fight.
Yeah.
How dare you say that? How dare you? You
तो
know?
आप लड़ लेते हो सामने से?
Of course. मैं चुप रहने वालों में से थोड़ी ना, मैं बोल देती हूँ.
Dominating one.
I would say it's not me. मैं अपनी reputation क्यों बिगाड़ूं? मैं तो झूठ बोल सकती हूँ ना यहाँ पे. तो मेरा क्या है? Let's go.
चलो, अब चलते हैं night out
Yes.
पे.
Oh my God.
I love it. I
Your
feel like a little
jewelry
boy.
is going with it.
And I love what you're wearing. You're a doll and I'm like your younger brother.
I love that. You're like going to protect me if anything happens.
Yeah. I'm gonna be like dolly, 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 dolly. I love it. Let's go. That was too much fun.
Yeah.
I loved looking like your
Same.
younger brother. You know what? I'm gonna actually
Oh
be
my
your
God.
younger brother and
Thank
give
you so
some
much.
protection.
I was so cold. Yes.
Yes.
Finally.
That actually looks great on your fit
yeah,
also.
it's going with the fit.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you
Love
so
it.
much.
Okay, so this round is
Yeah.
called Clock It or Block It.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
gonna shoot some rapid fire questions at you. Not questions, but like
Yeah,
some
yeah.
statements.
Let's go.
And you have to, if you agree with it, then you just clock
Block
it. If you don't agree with it, block it.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
I love blocking people.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, low-rise jeans,
Clock it.
Clock it.
Definitely.
baggy jeans,
Clock it. Yeah.
oversized sunglasses.
Clock it. Yeah.
Animal print.
Clock it. I love animal print.
Okay, matching outfits with your partner.
Block it. Block it. Please.
Dressing for the paps.
Clock it.
Stealing clothes from your sisters.
Clock it.
Repeating outfits.
Clock it. Clock it.
Are you an outfit repeater?
Yes. I'm an outfit repeater.
I'm not an outfit rememberer. Sliding into DMs.
Block it. No girl should slide into anybody's DMs.
I agree, I rate that. Going back to an ex.
Block. 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 Block.
Dating a friend's ex.
Block it. Block both of them.
Okay, splitting the bill.
With a boy,
Yes,
block it.
block it. Okay. Kissing on the first date.
First time that you're meeting,
Yeah.
no.
No.
Block it. I can't.
इतना भाव भी नहीं देना चाहिए.
मेरा बस वही है कि इतना भाव नहीं देना चाहिए उस कुत्ते को.
Okay. Hard launching a relationship.
Oh, I love it. Clock it.
Clock it.
Yeah.
Couples dressing alike.
Honestly, clock it. I like the coordination. Yeah.
Okay, wearing socks with heels.
Block.
Yeah.
Block. Block. Block.
Layering your jewelry.
Clock it.
Yeah.
Clock it. Yeah.
Crocs.
Block.
No, you're not.
Block.
You're not a Crocs girly at all.
No.
No,
I can't.
Okay. Then sheer outfits,
Oh, clock it.
metallic outfits,
Clock it.
chunky sneakers.
You know what? Clock it. I love them. Yeah, I love a little height.
Okay, this one is a little controversial. Jorts.
Only a few people can pull them off, so clock it. I've seen girls pulling them off real good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Giant tote bags.
Clock it. I love that. I can fit everything, even my patience. I love it.
Double texting someone.
It's so crazy. I was just talking about it. A friend is telling me to double text this person, and I'm like, block. Block you, block him. No.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Ghosting someone.
Clock it. I'm gonna ghost him. ये series में जा रहा है अभी.
I love it, bro. I love it. That was so much fun.
That was so much
I
fun.
loved it.
Same.
Today we put your style to test, and you have actually
Proved
passed
myself.
it.
Yeah.
You have.
Thank you
proved
so
yourself.
much.
Like, and how?
Thank you so
proved
much. I have
yourself
clocked
now.
it.
You have clocked it.
Thank
I
you so
loved
much.
it. Thank you so much for joining us,
Same
Dolly.
here.
It was so much fun.
Thank you so much for having me.
Are
It
you
was so
taking
much
me
fun.
out on a night out though?
Bro, we're going on a girls' night out today. We need to do that.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
Hi, my name is Dolly Javed, and you are watching me on Pink Villa Lifestyle Plus.